So hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, this is Sila from CamboTube channels again. And as my previous video, I already showed you guys how to add ISO file to your Hyper-V or to other virtual machine. And today is about how to install CentOS, how to configure to install a new CentOS to your PC. Okay, so as I got here is Hyper-V and already create a new virtual machine. Alright, so I have to run it. Okay, as you guys, if you guys a information technology student, you guys will know what is CentOS and you guys will know what is Red Hat, what is Linux. CentOS is a Linux operating system. Okay, so for the first time fresh install of a CentOS 6.6 is we have the menus right here is install or upgrade a system, install system with base video driver, rescues install system, boot from local drive, memory test. So select on it if um, select on the first option. Yeah. Okay, we'll boot up the ISO file. Okay, wait for it to load. Trying to unpack root. I make yeah. It's a bit slow for the first time installations. Okay, so it will come will appear like this. In this part, just skip it. Use tab to use tab key, and then enter. All right. Okay, so it found a media. It is a bit slow because I have run a Sony Vegas on my Windows. Okay, so here is the interface of CentOS 6 on my window. Okay, it will come like this and select next and choose your language, English, and I use US International. Select next. Basic storage device and specialized storage device. This option is in basic storage device. It means that if you guys want to install it, just you want to be a normal hard disk, just use this basic storage device. So if you want to connect it to SANs or to cloud server, you use this one, specialized storage device. So I don't have any SAN or I don't have any cloud, so I just use basic storage device, which means that it will store on my storage, local storage. Alright, so this one is the storage device below contain data. It means that it contains some data, so I will use I choose this one to erase all my old data and within the fresh installations. This part is please name this computer hostname identifier config hostname. We can config it later, so select next and choose your locations. I am now in Cambodia, so let's see where is Cambodia. Asia. Oh, it's so small. Cambodia is somewhere around here. Australia. Oh, okay. Oh my god, where is it? Really, Asia. Oh my god, I cannot find it. Cambodia, Phnom Penh. Okay, select. Where are you, Cambodia? Where are you? Asia, Brunei, Asia, Phnom Penh. Yeah, let's see Phnom Penh. Is Tokyo, Shanghai, Seoul, Pyongyang, Macau, Kuwait, MNOP. Okay, here is Asia, Phnom Penh. And next, um, for the password, make sure that you have symbol like dollar, like yeah, make sure that you have symbol with letter and with number, also with a capital letter, with the uppercase and a lowercase letter. It is the system security, so you have to set it. Let's do it again. Okay, select next. And in this part, which means that use all space, remove all partition on select device. This include partition created by the other operating system. It will remove all the old yeah, the old data of the previous installations. Replace existing Unix, which means that it will replace all the system file and create new file. And in here I will use create custom layout and next. Alright, so it is different from Windows because we have to manage the partitions. The first partition is root. Sorry, the first partition is boot. Boot is normally we can okay, you select on it and create. Boot is select standard editions and create. Okay, boot normally we use um, okay, we use size 500 megabyte, and you will mount it as slash and boot, and file system is ext4 and file size is 500 megabyte and fixed size and forced to be primary partitions and select OK. You have to create three partitions like boot, root, and one more is swap. Alright, so I already create a boot and I now will create swap. Select on it and create standard partition, create, and select here is swap. And will swap is you will have, if you guys have a 1 gigabyte RAM, so you will multiply by 2. So I assign it 1 gigabyte RAM, so I will use 2 gigabyte storage with swap. Okay, so 20 124 multiplied by 2 is 2048, and fixed size forced to be a primary dictions and okay. Create. One more is the last one is root. Root is just a slash. Okay, and I will use a field. I mean that I will use this section because I will use all of my storage last from boot and swap. I will use it all. So select on the option and take this one and okay. Alright, so what we got now is three partitions: SDA1, SDA2, and SDA3. SDA1 is boot, SDA2 is swap, and SDA3 is root. And select next and format it. Right, change to disk. And please wait for a while to creating this. Alright, so it is done, and now select next. And use many more desktop and select next. With a CentOS is mostly we use command to go to file directory, go to every time we use it, we use command. It is fast. Okay, so here's what I got now is installing the CentOS 616 for APU in Windows. Yeah, so wait. It has 964. So what's the login like is very fast, so we boot it. Okay, so it loading is CentOS 6.6 on my PC, and it's look really nice, just like a startup of Windows. Same. Okay, so here is CentOS 6.6. The interface look like that, and it is loading. The reason that it is load slow because I have used run Sony Vegas Pro on my PC, so this is a bit slow. And also one more thing is I assign memory only 1 GB, so yeah, this is the reason why it is slow. Alright, so everything is working fine here. Okay, so let's forward it. License information, yes, accept and forward. And user, put my name is, username is ATSUSAIKIM. Username cannot have space. And my name is Selahan. Password is, make sure that you have lowercase and uppercase letter. You have a number, you have a symbol, and forward. Okay, password do not match. Forward. And that time is synchronize that time over the network. Okay, and select forward again. Starting. Oh god. Let's go back to and take this one and forward. Insufficient memory auto enable kdump use system configure. Okay, just click OK and finish it. So that is all for the tutorial about how to install CentOS to your PC with Hyper-V. And now I already look at it, and this is my username. Okay, for tutorial today, and I hope you guys have a nice day. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more video tutorial, and good luck for you guys.